All right, welcome to our body weight training routine. This is going to be day one. I'm joined by Scout, who is likely going to be sleeping for the entire thing. We are going to have 3 different supersets. So that means you're going to have 2 exercises that are paired together, and there's going to be 3 of them for a total of 6 exercises. Your first group of exercises, you're going to be standing, okay? Actually, we're going to be on a wall for the first one. So a wall sit, you'll see that labeled as A1. We're going to go up against this wall, and we're going to try to go down to when our legs are at about 90 degrees, and we're going to hold that position for the prescribed amount of time. You can keep your arms at your side for this. So if this is challenging or bothersome on your knees, you can always go up a little bit. It's going to be with whatever range of motion you feel comfortable with. Okay, so once we get done with this, we're going to move into the next exercise. And if you're by a wall, you can still use this for support. This is going to be a knee-friendly lunge variation. We're going to step back just a little bit, and instead of bending our leg like that for the lunge, we're actually going to lean forward a little bit more, okay? If you don't want to use the wall, that's fine. Again, we're leaning forward a little bit more, and you should feel that a little bit more in the back side of your leg. So do the prescribed number of reps there, and then go back to the wall sit, okay? So those are your 2 exercises together. Get through all the sets that you're going to do. Then we'll move on to the next stuff, which is going to be on the floor. So now we're going to be moving on to our B-based exercises. It's going to be 2 core exercises. We're going to do a slow ab bike and then a hollow hold. So these will be for reps, and then you'll have to figure out how to do timing, okay? You just count in your head, that's totally fine. Slow ab bike, we're going to start on this position. We're going to bring our right elbow to our left leg, and then switch. So we're going to go nice and slow for this. Keep your low back on the ground the whole time. Once you get done with the prescribed number of reps there, we're going to do the hollow hold. So the hollow hold is we'll start in the same position, but what we're going to do is we will bring our arms and legs out. Now for this, we want to keep our low back in contact with the ground the whole time. If you find that to be tough, just raise your legs up a little bit, okay? The lower you bring your legs, the harder it's going to be. So we're gonna go and do those 2 exercises, that's your B1 and your B2, get through all the sets, and then we'll move on to our final C-based exercises. All right, moving on to our C-based exercises, we're gonna be right here. We're going to be on all fours just like this, and we're going to do a donkey kick. So for this, what we're going to do is we're going to lift our hip up. Imagine there is like a glass of water on your back, on your foot, and you want to lift up and squeeze your glute at the top. So we're going to do all of the reps. Make sure you really feel that in your butt, and then go ahead and switch the leg that you're using. Okay? So just up straight like that. You should feel that exercise in your butt. And then the last one that we're going to do, again, those are paired together. It's going to be a plank to a pike. So plank position or push-up position actually. And what we're going to do is we're going to pike up just like this. And then slowly lower ourselves right back down, okay? And we're going to do all the prescribed number of reps. Slowly lower yourself back down. When you get done with that, take a minute, and then we're back to our donkey kicks. All right, and that's routine 1 of the body weight exercise.